Prahlad Maharaj is offering his prayers, and then he says, this is text, chapter 9, verse 14. Prahlad is praying to Lord Nrsingadev directly in the presence of all the demigods and Lakshmi Devi. Tad yachamanyam asharascharatasva yadya modeta sararapi vrishchika sarpahatya lokascha nivritam ita pratiyanti sarve rupam nrsinga vibhayaya janasmaranti. Vibhaya says, Rupa, Nrsinga Rupa Smaranti, Jana Smaranti, Nrsinga Rupam. If anyone remembers the form of Lord Nrsingadev, Vibhaya, he will be free from fear. Oh my Lord Nrsingadev, please give up your anger now that my father has been killed. Even saintly persons take pleasure in the killing of a scorpion or snake. All the world has achieved great satisfaction because of the death of this demon, my father. Now they are confident of their happiness. Now always remember your auspicious incarnation in order to be free from fear. And Prabhupada tells that a devotee can always remember the form of Nrsingadev when they are in danger. So this is a remedy. If one becomes fearful, he should remember the form of Lord Nrsingadev. Pictures are there in the Bhagavatam. Of course, there's Shant Nrsinga. There's Shant Nrsinga, whose picture is there in the front of the 7th canto. There's Ugra Nrsinga. There's a horrible, ghastly feature Nrsinga, Ugra Nrsinga, with the demon Hiranyakashipu on his lap with his entrails, heart ripped out, and Nrsingadev roaring and hissing, blood everywhere and growling. That's plate number 8 on page 440. Well, plate number 8 in the pictures in front of the Bhagavatam. And then there's plate number 10, which is Shant Nrsinga. This is peaceful, happy, fulfilled Nrsinga with his Chaturabhuj Roop. Not his 1,000-arm Roop, but his Chaturabhuj Roop. Beautiful, half man, half lion form, sitting on a beautiful asana, surrounded by the demigods like Ganesh, Lord Shiva, Indra, Brahma, and Prahlad's there with his offering prayers at his knee, and Nrsingadev is resting his lotus hand on Prahlad's head. He's looking very calm and collected and peaceful. So that's Shant Nrsinga. So either remember Ugra Nrsinga or remember Shant Nrsinga. Rupam Nrsinga Vibhaya Jana Smaranti. The Jana, the living entity, we, human beings, we should Smaranti, remember this form of Nrsinga whenever we're afraid or in danger, then we'll be free from fear. Prahlad has had that experience directly himself, that's his realization. So he's sharing that realization and instructing us in this way.